most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Juklo.
Addis, it looks like a pretty nice day out there now. This morning, if you were with us, the fog was so thick, you couldn't see anything.
Yeah, it really was. And many of our airports and sites that we had were actually close to zero when it comes to visibility. But boy, what a difference now.
Yeah.
We have the sunshine and we are warming up quickly. And it's actually going to be even warmer tomorrow. We'll talk about that. But look at this, blue sky everywhere you look. Chambersburg, Mechanicsburg, even down into Franklin County, Waynesboro looking good, Shippensburg, hardly even a cloud in the sky right now. And visibilities are all at 10 miles now. So most of these numbers are actually zero this morning. So it's nice to see that that fog quickly eroded away, and now we're left with nothing but sunshine. Temperatures are starting to respond here. It all depends on how long the fog lingered where you are. So in Halifax, where it took a little bit longer to mix out, it's still in the 50s, but Louisville's in the 60s. Lancaster now is in the upper 60s, and notice the wind is starting to pick up generally out of the south and west now, and that's going to help give our temperatures a boost into the low 70s this afternoon. So nothing to show on the radar and satellite. We are quiet. High pressure remains the dominant player in our weather, and it's shifting to the south. So now we're seeing this clockwise circulation, the southwest flow ahead of it. That's why we're going to warm up today. This front is fizzling out, but this one right back here is going to bring us some very gusty winds tomorrow and then eventually turn us cooler again as we head into Thursday and Friday. So PrecisionCast is all quiet this afternoon. Tonight we'll drop off into the 50s on average, so not nearly as chilly tomorrow morning, and we're not going to have any of those fog concerns that we had this morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be close to 80 degrees, but it's also going to get very windy ahead of that front. So let me show you those winds. Tomorrow we start with a breeze at around 10 miles per hour during the morning, and then by the afternoon, sustained anywhere between 15 and 25, with gusts possibly as high as 35 miles per hour. But despite that front, we're not going to see any rain from it. The next chance of rain will come from this guy, Delta, Hurricane Delta, which has rapidly strengthened. It's now a Category 4 storm. Just a couple of hours ago, it was still a Category 2, massive 130 mile per hour winds. And in fact, we've had Hurricane Hunter planes kind of been zigzagging in and around this thing, and they have found winds of 130 miles per hour, and the pressure continues to fall, and that plane continues to investigate. So we'll see if there's any further upgrades. It will hit Cancun tonight as a Category 4 hurricane. Horrible news for those folks, and then it will likely make landfall in Louisiana as we head closer to late Friday as a Category 2 or 3 hurricane before becoming a remnant low. It does look like we're going to get rain from Delta, which is great news because we really need it. It wouldn't come until the latter half of the weekend, though, so late Sunday into Monday. That's your best chance to see at least showers from Delta. We'll see if we can get a nice soaking rain out of it because we sure could use it, guys.
All right, thanks so much, Addis.
You got it.